Morning guys, Sarah Hollins here, Wicked Maths. Recovery day today, so 2 miles with the dog. Nice little gentle walk. Bit of a gloomy day actually here. It looks kind of brighter on camera, but it's pretty misty. It doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be sunshine every day to make a good day, does it? Here's how I'm going to make today a good day. I'm going to give you a gift. It's something that's not talked about in schools, and it really should be. Or not talked about often enough. It's something that ought to be shared with pupils so that you understand a bit more, and we definitely should share it with parents, and yet we don't. So here it is. Your GCSEs are marked as a comparison. They're marked as a comparison against everybody else in the entire year. I don't mean your school year, I mean your school year across the whole country. So every 16-year-old that takes a GCSE, we mark all of your papers and then rank you, put you in order. Now, every year, we want the same percentage of people, give or take, the same percentage of people getting a 5, getting a 4, getting a 7, getting a 9. So in order to do that, we make a paper that is a fair paper where we know that some people will be able to score 100%. So the GCSE Maths is not there to catch people out. It's absolutely there for you to get 100% if you possibly can. And we're encouraged, in fact instructed, to mark it in a positive manner. We're trying to give you as many marks as possible. We are told to do that, and we're trained to do that. Now, in theory, what could happen is, say, for example, you missed a whole term's worth of maths. The whole country didn't have maths for a whole term because of some kind of national crisis. People in that year may get quite a lot worse at maths, and they may never catch it up. They may catch it up, but they may never. Now, if they don't, and we set a standard paper, a normal paper for GCSE Maths, the top mark, in theory, it's unlikely to happen, but it's possible, the top mark could be like 50%. So the best student in the entire country, when you take your GCSEs in summer 2021, could only score 50% half marks. Again, it's unlikely, but for the sake of argument, let's run with it. If that was the case, then you would only need maybe 15, 20% to get a 4 or a 5, a level 4, level 5, grade 4, grade 5. So the game really, it's not about having to know every bit of every topic, or it's not about needing to hit a certain standard in maths to be classed as a level 7 or a grade 8. Nah, it's not the case. All you're trying to do is be better than the people in your year, the people in your year group, not just in your school, but in the whole country. So if other people are getting worse at maths, this is a great time to be getting better at maths because it's worth more. You'll be going up further because you're getting better at the same time as other people getting worse. So instead of them staying at the same level and you having to do more to be better than that, as they're getting worse, if you're doing some, you're getting better. And if you're doing lots, you're getting a lot better. This is a brilliant time to get ahead. I cannot encourage you enough to get stuck into the questions. Watch the videos where you get stuck. That's exactly what they're there for. It's why we're better than any textbook or any revision guide or any nonsense app on the internet, because when you get a question wrong, seeing the correct answer on an app doesn't help you. How did you get the correct answer? How did you get from the question to the correct answer? If you don't know, you're not learning. You know, it's interactive because you're pushing buttons, but that's not interactive learning. Interactive learning is learning where you've gone wrong and how to avoid it in the future, and that's exactly what the teaching videos are all about. Enough from me. Long story short, work hard now and it could be worth so much more to you in summer 2021. That's all I got. Have a great day. Sarah Hollins, Wicked Maths.